Hi, did you know that you can easily convert your note into a PDF file without downloading any additional apps? So, as a first step, open the Notes application on your phone and here find the note that you would like to convert to PDF. Then, as a next step, we would need to find this Share button at the upper right corner. Then click on it and swipe it up to see all of the options that you can see here below. Now, click on this button Print. And you'd ask, why print? Because every time when your phone is asking to print any document, it will be automatically converted into a PDF. So, to save this PDF document, we would need to find the Share button again at the right upper corner. Here, swipe it up and then click on this button Save to Files. So I'll click on it and here we can click on this button back to choose the location where to save our file. I'll leave it like this and then click on the button Save at the right upper corner. Now let's take a look on our file. We would need to find application, which is named Files. Here is it how it looks, and open it. Then as a next step, we would need to click on this button Browse and here find where is your document saved. So I'll go to the Recents and here I can find the document. Now to verify what format is it, I'll try to open it and then click on this arrow up. And here you can see that this name under it got the PDF document, which is the format, and that means that we have successfully converted it. That's all. I hope this video was helpful and have a great day.